Hello, welcome to the Knacklers workshop. This is weekend workshop tips number 7, and today it's sort of I had this idea about making this video because I've been doing lots of work on vices, and we've been doing taking on and off circlips, and as most of us know, when we buy them, we buy one or two because they normally end up shooting off somewhere in the workshop, and you spend forever on your knees trying to find the things. So this is a nice little tip, and it's really very low as far as expense is concerned. But and I saw Harold Walters over at the ARW channel do this in a video a few years ago. So let me show you what you need. You need a clear plastic bag. So all you do is you just put the whatever you're taking. Obviously it only works with something small. You're not going to, if you're disassembling your monarch lathe, it's probably not going to work. But you just basically put it in. It's a bit hard with the lights here, but put it in, hold it, just missed. Would always be better if it worked first time, wouldn't it? Circlip comes off. Now, if it does ping off, all it's going to do is be contained within the bag. And likewise, when you're putting it back on, you just do exactly the same thing. So it's really simple, just saves hours of crawling around on the floor trying to find them. And if you're down to your last one of a certain size, then it's just fabulous. I do use this method quite a lot, and thanks to Harold for showing me or showing us who watched his videos how to do it. So that's it, really very small, very quick, really useful. So keep a plastic bag in your workshop, and hopefully you won't spend so much time rolling around on the floor. So as always, stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.